Welcome to MoneyMinds Financial Literacy Education channel. On this channel, we break down everything you need to know about managing your money, making smarter financial decisions from budgeting to saving, investing, and debt management. Top 5 budgeting methods for beginners. First up, we have the 50-30-20 rule. This method is super simple and easy to follow. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes towards needs, things like your rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. And 30% goes to wants, things like dining out, entertainment, or shopping for non-essential items. And 20% is saved or used to pay off debt. It's a balanced approach, giving you enough room for both necessities and fun, while still helping you save and pay down any debt. If you're new to budgeting, this method is a great place to start because it's clear and flexible. Method 2, the envelope system. The envelope system is a hands-on way to stay within your budget. It's pretty simple. You take cash for different spending categories and put it in separate envelopes. For example, you might have an envelope for groceries, one for entertainment, and another for transportation. Once the cash in each envelope is gone, that's it for the month. This method forces you to stick to your budget because once money is gone, there's no more spending in that category. It's perfect for anyone who prefers to handle money physically and wants to limit impulse spending. Method 3, zero-based budgeting. This method is great if you want to be super detailed with your money. With zero-based budgeting, every dollar you earn has a purpose. You go through your income and expenses, and at the end of the month, your income minus your expenses should equal 0. So you might allocate money for things like savings, debt repayment, and even a little fun. The goal is to make sure that every dollar is working for you, whether it's for bills, emergency savings, or even investing. This method really helps you stay on top of where every penny goes. Method 4, the pay yourself first method. The pay yourself method is all about prioritizing your savings and investments before anything else. Here's how it works. The moment you get paid, you set aside a portion for savings or investing before spending on anything else. Once that's done, you use the remaining amount to cover your needs and wants. This method helps you build your savings automatically and makes sure you are putting your financial futures first. It's a great method for anyone who struggles with saving because it takes the decision making out of the equation. Method 5, the 80-20 rule. A simpler approach for those who want a more relaxed way to budget. With this method, you save 20% of your income and use the remaining 80% for your expenses. It's not as detailed as the other, but it's great if you want it without tracking every little thing. You can adjust the percentage if you feel comfortable saving more or need to tweak things for your lifestyle. The key is that 20% is automatically going into savings or paying off debt, which makes this method super simple and effective. So which budgeting method is right for you? It all really depends on your financial goals and how much detail you want to go into. Whether you're looking for simplicity, flexibility, or something more detailed, there's a method that fits your needs. Budgeting doesn't have to be hard, and the more you practice, the easier it will get. The most important thing is to get started and stay consistent. If you found these budgeting methods helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell for more tips on managing your money. And let's take control of our finances one step at a time.